Today we're going to replace the weather strip on this 2015 Honda Civic. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the Phillips screw that is right behind the door. Alright, and once you have that set, just set it over to the side. Then this is going to come up free. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to slide this up. And then out it comes out just like that. Okay, next thing we're going to do is roll down this window. This will give us better leverage. Alright, so let's roll down the window all the way down. Then we'll have better access to grip this here. And we're just simply going to pull this up. And there we have it. There is the old one. We'll just clean the surface off. And just give it a nice good wipe down. So that way when we put in the new one, everything goes in nice and crispy. Alright, here's the replacement. All we're simply going to do is just line this up. Place it down. Alright, then we'll just press this all the way down so it can secure into place. Just like so. We'll remove this cover from here. Sweet. And this is on a 4-door. On a Sedan. We'll wipe this down. Cool, now we have that brand new little rubber seal here to protect our window. We'll grab our piece here, slide this into place. We're gonna have to probably slide it in here. It's just gonna go into these little bracket slots, and those are gonna hold on to it. So, just like so. Might have to slide that in first. Alright, I had to lift this up a little bit. There it is, nice and flushed. Perfect. Now we'll put the screw back into place, just like so, and there we have it. And we are set. We'll roll up our window, and there we have it. Good to go. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.